Apex Automations. GenAI Academy Hackathon.
Here, we have our AI travel concierge system. Now, I will give a simple prompt. I have a flight next week for Bangalore. Find me a hotel within my budget range, which is 5,000 for the 5,000 per night for this example. Now, this will go to our orchestrator model that will break down the request into multiple agents. First, the logistics agent. Extract key details like destination, dates, budget from the prompt. Then, the traveler research agent finds suitable hotel options based on those details. Next, after that, the policy auditor agent filters these options to ensure they meet the budget constraints. Next, we have the finance accountant agent that logs the trip details into a database for tracking and gives the and stores the budget. Finally, the output is combined and generated to a complete travel plan, which is displayed here and also added to your calendar. And after that, at the end, there's an email sender agent which sends the email to your Gmail account for the purpose of the trip. See, here we have the trip plan. Here, there are the details of the flight that has been confirmed and the hotel recommendation. Also, it shows the state of the budget, like we have assigned 5,000 per night, but the agent found a hotel under the budget that is 4,850 per night. So the status is compliant. That is, the hotel is compliant with the budget. And the expense summary, the items, the hotel stay, 3 nights, description, lemon tea, premier and Skull Lake, that is complimented with the hotel. Total cost 14,500 for the full 3 days summary, and the email has been sent to your Gmail account.